Now class, we have to start case study based question related with biology life process. So we are talk about only the first point like life process as well as nutrition. So in this way we are talk about the question number first. Rakesh is a student studying in class 10th class. One day he transported a potted plant of tunia growing in the lawn of his house to his room in order to beautify it. After some days, he found that the plant is not growing well and its leaves have also turned paly. He told his science teacher who explained him the reason. Now, answer the following questions on the basis of the above information. So the first question is given there. The process of manufacturing of organic food from inorganic raw materials in the presence of sunlight by green plant is called, and the option is photosynthesis, photolysis, hydrolysis, none of these. Now the answer is photosynthesis. Why? Because you know that photosynthesis is the process in which the green plant that make their own food from the inorganic substance. Move on the next question. The material required in photosynthesis are. So option is water like H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, sunlight and all of these. So you know that in the case of photosynthesis the plant need all the things like water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. So that the option D is the correct one, all of these. Now move on the next. Transformation of solar energy into chemical energy during photosynthesis is done by. Now the option number A is carbon dioxide, option number B chlorophyll, option C catalyst, and option D none of these. So transfer of solar energy into the chemical energy during photosynthesis is done by chlorophyll. Okay, next question. The chemical formula of glucose is. This question is very frequently asked in your examination. So see it, option number A C6H12O6, option B C12H22O11, option C C12H25O, and option D none of these. So you know very well the formula of glucose C6H12O6. Now proceed on the question number 5th. Which is the byproduct of photosynthesis? Again I repeat the question. Which is the byproduct of photosynthesis? So carbon dioxide, option A, water, option B, option C oxygen, and option D both B and C. So the correct option is C, because the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen.
Coming on the second question. The mouth leads to buccal cavity where 3 pair of salivary glands are present, and on the floor of the cavity a tongue bearing taste buds is present. The roof of the mouth is formed by the palate, which separates the air channel from the food channel. The cavity is supported by upper and lower jaws. On the jaws are arranged different kinds of teeth. Teeth are harder structures present in the mouth cavity and are specially developed for efficient mastication, that is, mechanically breaking the ingested food into smaller pieces. In humans, the teeth appears in 2 sets during a lifetime. The first set are milk teeth are 20 in number. These are completely replaced by permanent teeth by about 12 years of the age. Now you see the diagram. Here is the 4 types of teeth is given there: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So I tell you one words is also there like dental formula. So I give you a code like that, 4246. On the same way, in Caesar, canine, premolar and molar. So in Caesar 4, canine 2, premolar 4 and molar 6. That will be only showing the upper jaw, and same things will showing in the lower jaw. So now the question is also given there. Answer the following question on the basis of the above information. So the first question, how many salivary glands are present in the mouth? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 2 and option D 5. Now the correct answer is option A 3. So the second question is given there. The taste buds are present. Option A in saliva, option B on the floor of the buccal cavity, option C on the roof of the mouth, and option D none of these. So you know that the option number B is the correct one, on the floor of the buccal cavity. Now turn on the next. So how many milk teeth are present? So I tell you in the starting of the paragraph, 20. So option number C is the correct one. Now question number 4. Milk teeth are completely replaced by permanent teeth by about. So I also tell you same things, 12 year. So option number D is the correct. Now move on the next question number 5th. Efficient mastication means or stand for. So you read the paragraph and identify that the answer. So option number A is given there. Mechanically breaking the ingested food into the smaller pieces, digestion of food, absorption of food, and none of these. So efficient mastication, you see the in paragraph. Yes, that is mechanical. Now that is mechanical breaking ingested food into the smaller pieces, है ना? And same things, what is the age? So they will be also given there, 12 years. And how many numbers of milk teeth? So they will be also showing it there. So 3 questions will be given inside your paragraph. So you people have to easily get from the paragraph these answer. Now